neurons take many inputs but only produce one output. Each input is multiplied by its own weight and added up along with one extra weight called a bias. We can put our inputs into a vector with an extra 1 for the bias and our weights into another vector, and then take what is called the dot product. Finally, this dot product is then passed to a very simple activation function, in this case a ReLU, which here returns 0. We could use a different activation function, but a ReLU looks like this. The activation function defines the neuron's mathematical shape, while the weights shift and squeeze and stretch that shape. We feed the original inputs of our network to a layer of neurons, each with their own learned weights and each with their own output value. We stack these outputs together into a vector and then feed the output vector as inputs to the next layer, and the next, until we get the final output of the network. Each neuron is responsible for learning its own little piece or feature of the overall function, and by combining many neurons we can build an ever more intricate function.